Stop helping people. But that's how I describe what I do. I help people. Stop it. When you help people, it's like you're up here and they're down here. Here, let me save you. Let me rescue you. It's like you saying, hey, moron, you're doing it wrong. Ever help someone that's not as committed to solving the problem as you are? That only leads to frustration, right? Start working with people. When they take a step, you take a step. When you take a step, they take a step. The number one fear prospects have is being taken advantage of, being hustled. And here you come along saying, let me help you. Let me take over. Let me save you. Let me take control. When you are working with people, you are connected to a shared and common goal and are both committed to doing the necessary work to achieve that goal. I'm Scott Plum with the Minnesota Sales Institute. Thanks for this time together. I look forward to our conversation.